Hello, everyone, and welcome to Small Talk Podcast. I'm Emily. Hi, Robert. Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you again today.
Hello, Emily. Hello to all our listeners out there. Thank you so much for joining us again. We're so happy you're here.
Today, we have a really special topic. We're going to talk about something that is very important for your health. We're going to talk about exercise at home.
That's right, Emily. So many people think they need a big gym or expensive equipment to exercise, but that's not true at all. You can exercise in your home easily.
Exactly, Robert. Before we start, if you like our podcast and you want to learn more English, please subscribe to our channel and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, please. We love when you subscribe and share. Also, please leave a comment below. Tell us about your favorite exercise or any exercise questions you have.
So, Robert, why is exercise important? Why should people exercise at home?
That's a great question, Emily. Exercise is very important for our bodies. When you exercise, your body becomes stronger, your heart becomes healthier, and your mind feels better too.
I completely agree. And exercising at home is very convenient. You can exercise in the morning, afternoon, or evening. You can wear comfortable clothes. You don't need to travel to a gym.
That's absolutely right. And it saves money too. You don't need to pay for a gym membership. You can start exercising right now in your home. It's very easy.
Perfect. So let's talk about simple exercises you can do at home. What's a good exercise to start with, Robert?
I think walking is a great exercise to start with, Robert. You can walk around your house. You can walk up and down your stairs. It's simple, but very effective for your body.
Walking is wonderful, Robert. I really like walking too. You can walk for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or more. Start slowly. Don't rush.
Yes, that's very important. Start slow. If you exercise too hard at the beginning, your body might feel tired or sore. So always start slowly and increase gradually.
That's excellent advice, Robert. What about stretching? Is that good to do at home?
Oh, stretching is wonderful, Emily. Stretching is when you extend your body and muscles. You can touch your toes, you can reach your arms up high, you can stretch your neck and shoulders.
Stretching is very important, Robert. It helps your body stay flexible, and you feel more relaxed after stretching. How long should someone stretch?
Good question, Emily. I think you should stretch for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can do this in the morning or evening. It's a very easy exercise.
That sounds perfect. Now let's talk about another popular exercise. What about jumping jacks, Robert?
Jumping jacks are fantastic, Emily. Jumping jacks make your heart work faster. You stand with your feet together, then you jump. While you jump, you move your arms up and down and your legs apart. It's a fun exercise.
I love jumping jacks, Robert. They're so much fun and they really make you work. How many jumping jacks should a beginner do?
For beginners, I recommend starting with maybe 10 or 20 jumping jacks. Then you rest, then you do 10 or 20 more. As you get stronger, you can do more.
That's smart, Robert. It's important to rest between exercises. What other exercises can people do at home?
Well, push-ups are a really good exercise, Emily. Push-ups are when you lie down on the floor, you put your hands under your shoulders, then you push your body up using your arms. It makes your arms strong.
Push-ups are great for building muscle, Robert, but they can be difficult for beginners. What's a good way for beginners to do push-ups?
That's a great point, Emily. Beginners can do wall push-ups. You stand facing a wall, you put your hands on the wall, then you bend your arms and move your body toward the wall. This is easier than floor push-ups.
That's a wonderful tip, Robert. Let's talk about another exercise. What about squats, Robert?
Squats are excellent for your legs, Emily. Squats are very simple. You stand with your feet apart, then you bend your knees and move your body down. Your arms can go forward. Then you stand back up. That's one squat.
Squats are really good for building strong legs, Robert. How many squats should beginners do?
I think beginners should start with 10 to 15 squats. Do them slowly. Don't go too fast. Make sure your knees are safe and comfortable. Then rest for a few moments. You can do another set.
That sounds good, Robert. Now let's talk about something important. Should people do exercises every day?
That's a good question, Emily. It's better to exercise regularly than to not exercise at all. But you don't need to exercise every single day. 3 or 4 days a week is very good for beginners.
That's important, Robert. Your body also needs rest days. Rest days help your muscles recover and get stronger. What should people do on rest days?
On rest days, you can do relaxing activities. You can take a walk slowly. You can stretch gently. Or you can just relax at home. Rest is very important for your body.
I agree completely, Robert. Now let's talk about equipment. Do you need special equipment to exercise at home?
Not at all, Emily. You don't need expensive equipment. You can use things you already have at home. Your body is enough. Walking and stretching and squats don't need any equipment.
That's wonderful, Robert. But if someone wants to buy something, what do you recommend?
I think a yoga mat is very helpful, Emily. It makes the floor more comfortable. A yoga mat is not very expensive. You can also use a towel. Dumbbells are nice if you want to make exercises harder.
Those are good suggestions, Robert. What about doing exercise with music? Does music help?
Oh yes, music helps a lot, Emily. When you listen to music while you exercise, it makes exercise more fun. Music can also help you exercise at a good pace. Put on your favorite songs and exercise.
I love that idea, Robert. Music definitely makes exercise more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about the timing. When is the best time to exercise at home?
The best time is whenever works for you, Emily. Some people like to exercise in the morning. When they exercise in the morning, they feel energized for the whole day. Other people like to exercise in the afternoon or evening.
That's true, Robert. It's very personal. But I think morning exercise is wonderful. How long should an exercise session be?
For beginners, I recommend starting with 15 to 20 minutes. You can warm up for a few minutes, do your exercises, then cool down and stretch. 20 minutes is perfect to start.
That's very reasonable, Robert. As people get stronger and healthier, they can exercise for longer. Now let's talk about staying motivated. How can people stay motivated to exercise at home?
That's an important question, Emily. I think you should set a goal. Maybe you want to exercise 3 times a week, or maybe you want to be able to do 50 squats. Write your goal down somewhere.
That's smart, Robert. Writing down your goals helps you remember them. What else helps people stay motivated?
You can keep a calendar, Emily. Every time you exercise, you mark it on the calendar. When you see all those marks, it makes you feel proud. You want to keep adding more marks.
I really like that idea, Robert. It's called a habit tracker. Seeing your progress is very motivating. What about exercising with other people?
That's wonderful too, Emily. You can exercise with your family or friends. Even if they're not at your house, you can exercise together online. You can video call and exercise at the same time.
That's a great idea, Robert. It's more fun when you do it with others. Now, let's talk about something important. What should people do before they start exercising?
Great question, Emily. If you have any health problems or concerns, talk to your doctor first. Your doctor can tell you if any exercise is not safe for you. This is very important.
That's absolutely right, Robert. Safety is most important. Also, people should warm up before they exercise. What does warm up mean?
Warm up means preparing your body for exercise, Emily. You can walk slowly for 2 minutes. You can do some gentle stretching. You can move your arms and legs slowly. Then your body is ready to work harder.
That's important, Robert. Warming up helps prevent injuries. What should people do after they exercise?
After exercise, you should cool down, Emily. Cool down means slowing your body down. You can walk slowly. You can stretch. This helps your heart beat slower. Your body returns to normal gradually.
That's very important, Robert. You should also drink water. Drinking water helps your body recover. Let me ask you something. What are the benefits of home exercise?
Oh, there are so many benefits, Emily. First, your body becomes stronger and healthier. Your heart works better. Your muscles become bigger. You can also lose weight if you want to. And you feel more energy in your daily life.
Those are wonderful benefits, Robert. What about mental health? Does exercise help with stress and mood?
Yes, absolutely, Emily. When you exercise, your brain releases something called endorphins. Endorphins make you feel happy, so exercise helps you feel better. It reduces stress and worry. You sleep better at night.
That's beautiful, Robert. Exercise helps both your body and your mind. Now, do you have any final tips for our listeners?
Yes, I do, Emily. My biggest tip is to just start. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start today. Start with just 10 minutes. Start with just one exercise. The important thing is to begin.
That's excellent advice, Robert. Start small, start today. And remember to be patient with yourself. Your body will improve slowly but surely. What's your second tip?
My second tip is to make it fun, Emily. Find exercises you enjoy. Listen to music. Invite friends. Exercise doesn't have to be boring or difficult. Make it something you look forward to.
I love that, Robert. Exercise should be enjoyable. Do you have one more tip?
Yes, be consistent. Try to exercise on the same days and times each week. This helps you make a habit. After a few weeks, exercise becomes a natural part of your day.
That's wonderful advice, Robert. Consistency is key. Thank you so much for sharing all this helpful information about exercising at home.
Thank you, Emily. I really enjoyed this conversation. And to all our listeners, I hope this episode inspired you to start exercising at home today.
Yes, please try it. Your body and mind will thank you. Remember, everyone can exercise at home. You don't need expensive equipment or a gym. You just need a little space and some motivation.
That's right. You can start today, in your living room, in your bedroom, anywhere in your home. Just start moving. Just start exercising. Your health is worth it.
Now, before we finish, don't forget to subscribe to Small Talk Podcast. We release new lessons every week. We want to help you learn English while learning useful life skills.
Yes, please subscribe. Share this episode with your family and friends, and most importantly, leave us a comment. Tell us which exercise you will try first. Tell us about your exercise goals.
We read every comment, and we love hearing from you. Your feedback is very important to us. It helps us make better episodes for you.
That's true. So please leave a comment below. Tell us your exercise story. What's your favorite home exercise? What helps you stay motivated?
We hope this episode was helpful and inspiring. Remember, taking care of your health is an investment in yourself. You deserve to be healthy and strong.
So until next time, keep practicing your English. Keep moving your body. Keep taking care of yourself. We'll see you in the next episode.
Thank you so much for listening to Small Talk Podcast. We appreciate you. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay healthy. Stay strong. Goodbye.